The White Stallion Ranch lies in the heart of the Sonoran Desert, best known for its iconic and abundant saguaro cactus, a massive plant that begins as a tiny seed.
Everybody wants to eat a saguaro seed. You know. All kinds of creatures out there eat saguaro seeds, and they're pretty tasty. You can make cookies out of them.
Okay. So that saguaro is 2 years old.
Yep.
Diego Dunn has devoted much of his life to learning about this fascinating desert, teeming with all kinds of amazing plant life.
That used to be a beautiful yellow flower.
Okay.
So then it gets pollinated and it closes up and produces a seed pod. You can wash them off, rinse them off, dry them, and then you can put them in cookies or just eat them.
A former aerospace worker, Dunn shares his knowledge on the White Stallion's herbal walk.
And they would use this to tie desert willow together, make it like a big half dome.
And there's something to learn with every step.
Very strong. I mean, I could grab this and just move that whole plant. It's going to hold up in the wind.
There are 600-year-old ironwood trees.
And this is here before Father Kino was here. I counted some of the rings on some of the others. As a young one, took the chainsaw. It's only that big. I took the chainsaw, I cut it, ruined the chainsaw.
Creosote leaves that were used to preserve fruit shipments back in the day.
In California, and they ship them on a slow freight train to the East Coast. By the time I got there, they had mold on them. So what you do is they take these leaves and they pack them with the oranges, and it prevents molding. Squish that little white dot.
Dye made from prickly pear that turned your M&Ms red.
See that turns purple? Well, that's called colchinia. That's real stuff right there.
Plus all kinds of other candy and products made from prickly pear and the saguaro.
But I went to the agriculture department and I did the research. And so, yeah, saguaros, you can make a candy out of it. You can make a syrup out of it. You can eat the seeds. You can put the seeds in cookies. You can eat the flowers. Not the tastiest things, but you can eat them. Again, it's just a journey. You get up every day. It's like, whoa, what is that? What is that? You know? Yeah, you got to get out here. Come out to Arizona and learn how to just touch, taste, and feel Arizona. It's an amazing place.